How to add a lightbox in Wix. So here from the home page of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. If we want to add a lightbox, we will simply click on Add Elements here from the left hand side, and then we want to hover over Interactive. So just click on Interactive after you have hovered over it, and here you will see an option for lightboxes. We can add different lightboxes to our Wix website. We can add welcome lightboxes, we can add subscribe lightboxes, promotion, and contact. So for this video, I will add a contact lightbox. So we want to choose one which we like, and then we simply have to drag and drop it onto our website. And right here you will see that now we have the option to manage lightboxes. If we click on it, then it's going to appear as a menu. Now we can set the triggers for this lightbox as well, and here is what it's going to look like. We can either automatically display lightboxes on pages or not, and then also we can add delay here, so how many seconds, and then we can also schedule lightboxes here, as well as add a link to our lightbox. So basically you want to name this lightbox and you can customize it to your liking from this page right here. And if we go to design, and that's how you add lightboxes onto your Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.